Good afternoon and welcome to Leisure Times channel. Today we're going to go over a little tech tip and we're going to talk about the ProFlame 2 remote that you might find with your fireplace and the basic functions, how the buttons work, and some troubleshooting tips that you might run into. All right, every year we get questions on how to use or operate this remote. It's a really common remote found on a lot of different fireplaces. This one in particular is being used on a Cozy Heat fireplace, but the remote and functions are all the same. So while the remote's off, you can get some basic information from it. The top left corner you'll see says off and has a thermostat symbol. This represents the thermostat mode for the remote. The temperature reading in the top right corner of the remote is the temperature of the room, because again, this remote also doubles as your thermostat. Right now the fireplace is off and we have a flame symbol down here in the bottom. Most of the functionality for the remote is going to happen down here at the bottom of the remote, and I'll show you how to navigate that now. There are 5 different buttons for the remote, the top one being your on and off button, the next one being your thermostat. You'll have your adjustments up and down, and then your navigation button. So you can see here as we click the navigation button, it sends us through the different modes at the bottom of the remote. And now not every fireplace will have access to these different modes because not every fireplace has all the same functionality. But in this particular case, I'll walk you through the different functions because this fireplace does. So the first one is flame. When fireplace is on, it's going to initially read high, and that has to do with flame height or the amount of gas flowing through the valve into the fireplace. And on this particular fireplace, all that can be adjusted. There's 5 different flame height settings or heat settings on this particular fireplace. And every time I adjust the setting, you'll see a little transponder symbol go off on the top left corner to let you know that it's communicating to the fireplace to make that adjustment. The next setting is your fan, and currently right now it's off. And again, there's going to be several different settings that you can toggle through for the fan based on preference. And then on this particular fireplace, it has a lighting kit, and I'm able to adjust the lighting up and down inside of the fireplace to make it either more dim, more of a mood lighting, or brighter to give it more character. And then the last setting I want to go over is the thermostat setting. There's 3 different settings for the thermostat on this particular fireplace. There's off, on, and then smart. Some fireplaces are going to have a smart stat setting. What we like to either operate in is either just the fireplace is on or off, or the first setting for the thermostat, which is on. And so again, the top right corner of the thermostat or of the remote is going to read room temperature, and then the middle temperature is what you want to set the fireplace to, which the remote will read to kick the fireplace on and off. And so that's a little brief rundown on how to operate the remote. Something that you won't find in the manual that we run into occasionally is this. So if I take and I hold the thermostat button on this and I remove a battery and then I put the battery back in, it's sometimes going to do this thing where it clears. And when it clears, you're going to notice the thermostat symbol is gone. And so now we've lost a lot of the functionality of the remote. And in order to get that back, we have to repeat the process, which is to hold the button and take a battery out and then put the battery back in to reset that or get the thermostat function back on the remote. And that's the easiest way to fix that problem, is to hold down the thermostat button while you take the battery in and out of the remote. And that's it for today's video. If you need help with other tech-related things when it comes to fireplaces and hot tubs, go ahead and hit us up on our website at leisuretimeinc.com. You can contact us and we'll reach out to you and help you out where we can.